Now, I can charge all this right here, all at once. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I want to make this short video and give you guys a quick little how-to on how to make one of these charging walls. This thing has made it a lot easier and made the process of charging batteries for all my gear much more streamlined. I'm no longer having to dig through drawers and find the right cable, the right charger for a certain device. Really, I just get to walk up to my workstation and click, click, click. Batteries are in place and batteries are being charged, and within a few hours, all my batteries are charged for all of my gear and I'm ready to go again. So the first thing I did to make this charging wall is I bought this special pegboard by Wall Control, and I'll include the link below on where to purchase that. I also got a bundle of these Velcro straps. I use these to strap all the chargers to the charging wall. Another item that I included in my charging wall are these little office container basket thingies that I just simply used black zip ties to fasten these to the charging wall. But a key component to a charging wall is a good power strip with surge protection. Now when I started making my charging wall, something that I initially struggled with was securely fastening my power strip to the charging wall. Everything else would be easy, but that's just this big piece of plastic, and getting that securely attached to the charging wall was my biggest challenge. I tried industrial double-sided tape, I tried zip ties, I tried all these different things, but I found this power strip that works perfectly with this pegboard. If you undo the back screws, the 4 holes actually line up perfectly with the holes in the Wall Control pegboard, and then you can just reinsert those screws with washers and securely fasten this power strip to the Wall Control pegboard. And then after that, it's like they're one component and we're destined to be together. Now, how you arrange all your chargers to the pegboard is really personal preference. The chargers for both my DJI drones, I want to make sure I used Velcro strips to make them removable so that if I wanted to, I could take them off the charging wall and take them out to the field and charge batteries on the go. But it's here in my office where I want to charge multiple batteries at once. Now that strip to charge all 3 of my FPV batteries was kind of a challenge. These batteries are heavy and they kind of sit suspended from this thing. So I used 2 zip ties, one on each of those spaces between where the batteries set, to securely fasten that strip to the pegboard. Now all 3 batteries can sit securely and I'm not worried about them falling off. What's really cool is most of your DJI chargers have multiple USB ports on the charger as well. Take advantage of those and run USBs to other areas of your pegboard so that you can set charging stations in those baskets like on the other side and other places wherever you see fit. The Wall Control pegboard also comes with these nifty hooks that I use to hang all my different charging cables and wires and lightning cables, and they're readily available. Alright guys, again, short and sweet. I'll include links below to everything I use to make my charging wall, and remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's really just personal preference. But if you have any questions in the process or get stuck, feel free to message me in the comments below and I'll try to respond. Thanks guys.